How long does it take to make your first Zazzle sale? You just uploaded your first design to Zazzle, and you are wondering how long does it take before you make your first sale. Well, that can depend on various factors such as the amount of marketing you do, time of year, etc. However, it has taken me an average of 3 months to begin seeing my first sales on Zazzle. When I opened my first store, Miss Rhodey, back in June of 2013, I had little knowledge of how e-commerce worked. I didn't have good product descriptions or tags, so it took me 18 months to make my first sale, this colorful soup mug. Then a month later, I made another sale, this pink gratitude notebook. After a few months, they began to trickle in more often, like once a week. So in 2015, I started working on making excellent titles, descriptions, and tags. This really paid off during the holiday season, where I was able to make my first payout. During my time of trial and error, I learned the importance of using good titles, tags, and descriptions. So in 2017, I decided to open my second store, Rhodey's Kitchen. And it only took me 2 months to make my first sale, a personalized water bottle label. As I opened up more stores, I noticed it only took me 2 to 3 months to make sales, and items that had themes and customization sold the best, like this customizable romantic card, which is blank on the inside. As my product designs improved, my sales improved. I created themes for different people, such as parents, children, occupations, and different occasions: holiday, birthday, wedding, anniversary, such as the ring bearer button. I then began to notice that my royalty rate of 5% was extremely low. I was making many sales, but my income was not reflecting that. So I adjusted my royalty rate from 5% to 14.9%, and my income tripled just from that action alone. Last but not least, you want to do some form of external marketing. This can be blogging, video, or posting on social media. Zazzle Show Me forms is also a good place to start. In closing, make sure you do these 4 things. Have good titles, tags, and descriptions, theme products with customization, good royalty rate, external marketing, and you should be making your first sale in no time. Check out my newest store, Alma Africa, link in the description. Thanks for watching.